Protein, The Making of a Nutritional Superstar by Samantha and Gavin, is not simply a book about a food or nutrition. It is a critical study of how protein became one of the most powerful and attractive words in modern health, fitness, food marketing, and lifestyle culture. The book explains how protein came to be seen as a solution for many different concerns, including muscle building, weight loss, aging, exercise recovery, food insecurity, and even environmental sustainability. The main argument of the book is that protein popularity is not only based on the fact that the human body needs it. Protein is, of course, an important nutrition. However, the author argues its modern superstar status has been shaped by business interest, scientific terms, fitness culture, advertising, and social anxiety about health and the body. In modern society, protein has become more than a nutrition. It has become a symbol of strength, discipline, masculinity, productivity, self improvement, and responsible living. The book traces the history of protein from 19th century science to the present day. Early scientific research helped establish protein as a vital part of human nutrition. Over time, however, the meaning of protein expanded far beyond basic health. It became linked to ideas of national development, colonial growth, global hunger, industrial agriculture, gym culture, body optimization. Through this historical approach, the author shows that today's obsession with protein did not happen suddenly. It was created gradually through science, industry, policy, and culture. One important data in the book is that protein is often presented as a solution before the actual problem is clearly understood. The author suggests that protein has been used again and again to explain or solve very different issues such as malnutrition, weak bodies, aging, poor authentic performance, environmental damage, and consumer insecurity. Because protein can be connected to many concerns, it becomes a flexible marketing tool. This is why the book describes protein as a kind of solution in search of a problem. Another major theme is the rise of the protein powder industry, especially when protein whey was once treated as a waste product of industrial dairy production. Later, food companies and supplement industry transformed it into a valuable health fitness product. What was once a disposal problem became a profitable commodity. This explains shows how capitalism can turn industrial leftovers into products that consumers are thought to see as essential for health, strength, and lifestyle improvement. The author explains the connection between protein, gym culture, and masculinity. Protein supplements are often marketed through image of muscular discipline and powerful bodies. In this culture, consuming protein becomes a way of showing a culture over the body. It is only about eating well. It becomes about becoming stronger, linear, more productive, more optimized. The book argues that this connection between protein and the ideal body reflects wider social pressures around gender, discipline, performance, and self control. The book also discusses aging. In modern health culture, older people are increasingly encouraged to consume more protein to prevent muscle loss and maintain independence. King and Weedon don't argue that nutrition is unimportant for aging bodies. Instead, they questioned how aging itself becomes treated as a biological and economical problem. Then, protein products can supposedly fix. In this way, ordinary women or human aging becomes another market opportunity. Another important discussion in the book focuses on alternative proteins such as plant based meat substitutes. These products are often promoted as a healthier and more suitable than animal meat. However, the author shows that even in these new food features, protein remains at the center of the body or story. Whether the product is meat, whey powder, protein bars, or plant based burgers, protein continues to be treated as a human main measure of food value. Overall, protein making of a nutritional superstar encourages readers to rethink how they understand nutrition. The book doesn't say that protein is useless or harmful. Instead, it argues that modern obsession with protein should be questioned. The author asks readers to think about who benefits when protein is treated as the answer to every health and food problem. They also ask why people trust protein comes so easily and how food companies, fitness influencers, scientists, and policy systems shape public beliefs about healthy things. In conclusion, this book is a thoughtful and critical exploration of food, healthy society, and power. Its main message is that protein is not only a nutrition; it is also a culture object, a business strategy, a scientific category, and a social symbol. The book helps readers understand that modern diets are shaped not only by biology but also by marketing, industry, politics, and cultural ideas about the body. It is a key takeaway is a simple but powerful. Before accepting protein as the perfect solution, we need to understand how and why it became a superstar in the first place. Thank you.